Hello all traders. Today is Thursday, 16th of January 2025, and we're going to look at the trades that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If we look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating around the previous day low and close on all E-minis and broke this level during the London session, but it couldn't hold and the price got rejected and it started to go down pre-market. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening, the price was testing the previous day high or close, and it got rejected and it started to go down and retested the previous day close and bounced back and stayed in a sideways volatile range and finally broke this range and it started to go down and close negative. So our plan of action for today was to wait for the volatility to calm down, and after retesting this level of support, take long position in a well-established uptrend. So that's what we have done, and around 11 o'clock when the price was testing this level and got rejected and was going up, this wave of uptrend here was taken with setup C on Nasdaq, and also later when this got rejected again, another setup C was taken here, which was closed with break even and also profit. And at the same time around 11, again this long position on S&P 500 when the price got rejected was taken with setup C, and later another setup C was taken which was closed with profit. And all these signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts, and you see performance on one of these accounts here that shows it was positive with profit factor of 13, which is coming from 83% win rate, all from the 6 long positions taken with the average win to loss ratio of 2.63. The largest winning trade was 415 and the largest losing trade was $96. So that was the summary of the trades we have taken on the futures prop firm account. And on the small 5K CFD prop firm account, these are the list of trades we have taken. 9 long position was taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500. We had also swing positions from yesterday that was also closed with profit. These are the result of these trades. We had no losing trades, and our total profit reached $36 so far, and our profit factor is 64 now. So as you see, the equity curve is growing consistently, and compared to yesterday, we made about $12, which is equivalent to $720 on the 300K futures prop firm account. So from the 28 trades taken, we had 26 winners, which resulted in 92% win rate. And this slide shows equity curve with percent drawdown, which is less than 0.2%, and we should not reach 5% drawdown. This shows the largest winning trade, which was $4.59, and the largest losing trade, which is about 49 cents. We had 21 consecutive winners, resulted in $29 profit, and 1 losing trade resulted in 49-cent loss. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures prop firm account and also on the small CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.